Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic time freeze scene using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the Pippit AI website, pippit.ai, and you're going to sign in with your Google account. Then you will get free credits. And go to the home menu, select image feature, and you're going to upload your own photo. I'm going to upload a random photo from my device, for example this one, and this is the prompt that you can use. Okay, you can change the prompt if you are not satisfied with this prompt, and I'm going to send the prompt and also the photo to the AI. Okay, hold on. Okay, and these are the results guys, and I'm going to choose one of them. Actually, it's really cool. And I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click on download and the photo will be saved to my device. If you want to try it again, you can click on try again here and the AI will regenerate photo for you. Okay guys, and that's how you can create a cinematic freeze scene using Pippit AI for free. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description. And then you can try to make video or photo as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching and bye!